and welcome to this edition of Physics. I'm Mr. Moses. Today we will be dealing with an AS level question on waves intensity. So the question is saying waves from a source have an amplitude of 5 centimeters and an intensity of 400 watts per square meter. Okay, first question is saying the amplitude of the wave is increased to 10 centimeters. What is their intensity now? So for such a question where we are changing the amplitude, then we are asked to calculate intensity. You need to first understand the relationship between intensity and amplitude. Okay, so we are saying intensity varies directly to the square of the amplitude, which means if you are to change a variation sign with an equal sign, it means intensity is equal to constant times amplitude squared. So make the constant the subject of the formula. So constant is equal to intensity divided by the square of the amplitude. So let us find it out by substitution. So we are saying 400 watts per square meters divided by the amplitude squared. So that amplitude is 5 centimeters. So we are saying 5 divided by 100 to convert it to meters, which is 0.05. Okay, then we are squaring it. So if we punch it into the calculator nicely, our answer is supposed to be 160,000. Okay, that's our constant. So this constant, we shall use it for any calculation that deals with changes to the original wave. So now let us answer question A, which is saying the amplitude of the wave is increased to 10 centimeters. What is their intensity now? So intensity, according to the formula, is equal to the constant times amplitude squared, which is going to be that constant 160,000 times our amplitude squared now. But what is that amplitude? It has been doubled to 10. So let us deal with it. 10 divided by 100 is 0.1 and we square it. So we want to find out what is the answer on the calculator. 160,000 times 0.1 squared. Our answer from the calculator is going to be 1,600 watts per square meters. Okay, now looking at the second question, which is saying the intensity of the wave is decreased to 100 watts per square meter. What is their amplitude? So we need to now calculate that amplitude by making it the subject of the formula. So amplitude squared is equal to, if we make it nicely, it is equal to the intensity divided by the constant. But we don't want to calculate amplitude squared, we need to just calculate amplitude. So we introduce a square root sign. According to math, amplitude is equal to the square root of the intensity divided by the constant. So this is going to be the square root of the intensity, which we have now 100, divided by our normal constant, which was 160,000. So we want to find out what does it give us. So if you punch it, square root open bracket 100 divided by 160,000, our answer is going to be 0.025 meters. Okay, so if you then want to convert it to meters, multiplied by 100 and your answer is going to be 2.5 centimeters. Thank you very much for watching and bye bye.